Let me show you in this tutorial 2 different ways to set up auto shutdown inside of Windows. This is going to work both for Windows 10 and 11, and as well as if you are using a laptop or a desktop, it's going to work the same. Now, the first option is if you want to set up a timer. And for that, you want to go into the search bar and you can use 2 different ways. You can use the command prompt or you can use PowerShell. In this case, we're going to be using PowerShell. So you want to type PowerShell. You're going to see Windows PowerShell right here. Click on it. And inside of PowerShell, you want to type shutdown space -s space -t and space the time in seconds that you want your PC to shut down. So for example, if you wanted to shut down in 1 hour, you want to set up 3600. And then you want to press enter. And as you saw, one reminder right there that the PC is going to be shutting down in 1 hour. The second option is if you want to use it something like a daily or a weekly thing, and you want always your PC to turn off at the same time. Go into the search bar and you want to type task shelduler. And you can see it right here. Click into it. When the window is open, you want to click where you see create a basic task. This create basic task wizard is going to open, and then you want to select a name. Let's say, for example, shutdown. You want to click into next. Now, this is when you want the task to start. Daily, weekly, monthly, one time, on everything else. Now, in my case, I'm going to select daily. Click into next. And here you can select when this is going to start and at what time. Let's say, for example, I want always to happen at 12 in the night. If you have AM or PM, you want to check that right here and recur every 1 day. Click into next. Now, here is some actions that you can do, and we're going to select the start a program. Click into next. This is going to ask you to select a program and a script. Inside of here, you want to type shutdown.exe. And into add arguments, you want to type /s. Now you want to click into next. And this is going to give you everything that you set up right here. And you want to click into finish. And now on the left side, where you see the task shelduler library, you are going to see what we created right here. So by any time you want to remove this, you want to select it right here, and on the right side, click into delete. Then you can delete this task, and you are not going to have this anymore in your PC. And that is it for this tutorial, guys. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to drop a like into the video and to subscribe for more tech tutorials, reviews, and everything else I do in the channel. Thanks for watching, and like always, see you guys on the next time. Bye bye.